SimplySherry and welcome back to my channel. So I had a nice little break after Christmas till New Year's and now I'm going to get back at it. So I'm going to start back with my project pan, my rolling project pan. I changed it up a little tiny bit and I'm going to let you guys know what I changed it up, what the products are that I'm putting in or keeping in, and how I changed it up a little bit. So if you want to see what I am going to try to pan in 2026, starting out the year, then stay tuned for the video. Okay, so my project pan is a rolling project pan, and pretty much every item that was in either project pan or deck of panning last year is pretty much made it into this one. I kind of slacked off on my projects at the end of 2025, so I'm just going to continue on with the rolling project pan, but I kind of switched it up a little bit. So I'm not just having 10 products starting off. I'm going to have each category is going to have a product in it, so it's going to be a rolling project pan by every category basically. The only things that aren't in there is a setting spray because I only have one anyway, so what's the point? And mascara, because I usually only keep one mascara at a time. So I think that's basically all that's not in this project. So if you want to see what I am putting in my rolling project rolling project pan to start off 2026, then here we go. So first is eye primer. So I'm going to continue on using this one that I've been using. This is from Beaute. I think it's about halfway through. I'm not really sure where it is. I will leave all measurements down below because I didn't weigh these on the scale. So I'll leave all the weights of everything down below listed, starting off the year with them. So it's basically a rolling project pan refresh is what I'm doing to start 2026. So that's the first item. The next item, I'm going to try to use up my Caliray because this is getting older. This is the So Blown base, like the, what's it called? A primer. Oh my god, I'm losing my mind. It's been so long since I did one of these videos. So I'm going to try to use this up this year. The next product is my Tinted Hydrator from Wet n Wild. I love this stuff. I know I'll have no problem using this up because I use this all the time. So we'll try to use that up. The next one is no stranger to the project because it was in it last year. It's the Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation, Powder Foundation. So I have like, this is like a liquid option and this is a powder option. Sometimes I just use this as a setting powder too. Sorry, my hair is kind of crazy today. I just washed it, so it's all fluffy and fluttery all over the place. But I'll try to use, I'm going to continue on with that product this year. The next is this LYS Triple Fix, is it called the Triple Fix? Yeah, the Triple Fix Concealer. It's time to get this out of my collection as well. This is the only concealer I have in my collection because I don't wear concealer all the time. I don't need it. So I wear light. Like this is mostly what I wear because I have, my skin's pretty good right now, basically, is what I'm trying to say. You won't be a stranger to this one. This is the Rare Beauty Bronzer Stick. I forget what the color name is. I think it's like Warm Soul or something like that. Happy Soul. So this is in the color Happy Soul, and you guys are familiar with this one from last year. The next one is a blush, and this is the Tinkerbell blush. This was in my project, or my deck of panning at the end of the year, and I didn't hit my goal on it. I've been trying to use this up for a few years now, on and off. I hit pan on it at one point, and then it kind of smooshed back together because it's a cream, and I got a cat hair on it. Okay, there we go. So I'm going to try to finish that this year because it's getting older, and the cream will eventually dry up. For a highlight, I'm going to use this AOA Studio highlight, and this is in the color, I can't read it, it's too small. It'll be down below. But it looks like I have some, you know, I have some freckling in it there. So hopefully, I'm just going to pick a mini highlight because you know how hard highlight is to even hit pan on. So then for a loose setting powder, I'm going to use this Halo Glow from e.l.f. And there's still quite a bit of this left in there. But like I said, the measurements will be down below for everything. I'm just putting it all behind me here. Okay, I'm going to put in an eyeshadow stick. So I'm going to put this one in from e.l.f. I don't know the color because it's on the bottom and it's really small. I can't read it. As a person that's legally blind, what I do for stuff like this is I will take a picture of it with my phone so I can read it. So that's what I'll do. So the proper name will be down below with the measurements. The next product is, you guys probably remember this one too. This is my Sephora liner. I know this is in the color Tiramisu. It's my favorite Sephora brown liner. I wear brown liner more than any other color liner because I just find sometimes black is too harsh, so I wear brown liner. My hair is getting so long, I need to get it trimmed. But yeah, we're going to try to finish that off. I'm going to put an eyebrow gel in there, even though I barely ever do my brows, but I'll put it in there anyway. This is from QUO, and it's just a clear one. This just will not go away. This is Fenty Heat. This has got to go away this year. I had it on its side, so where it was, it's probably around here. Where it was, it's all settled, so sorry about that. But this has been sticking around. I've been trying and trying, but I'm not trying hard enough, so I gotta continue to try and use this up this year. This is brand new. It came in my advent calendar this year. This is the Cocokind. I figured I'd put like a lip treatment because I usually put something on my lips while I'm doing my makeup just to hydrate my lips. And I hear these are really good. This is the Cocokind lippy. I know it has Ceramidr or something in it. Yeah, Ceramidr. And it's in the color Be Kind. So it's brand new, but I know I can use something like this up because I use one of them basically every time I do my makeup. Because like I said, I hydrate my lips with it beforehand. So then I wanted to put in like a stick product. I didn't put in an actual bullet lipstick, but I put in this because it's getting older. This is Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk. You can tell I've been using it. Ooh, it's getting kind of... Ooh, she's getting pretty rough looking, but I gotta use this up. It's not, there's nothing wrong with it. I guess I just must have hit it with the cap when I put it in. But this is just like a lip balm color. So you guys seen that in there last year. And another one that's familiar from last year is my Too Faced Melted Lippy. I wore this for the longest time, like all the time, and then I stopped using it. This is in the color Candy Cane. It still smells like candy canes. It smells great. And I just want to finish that up this year as well. So those are the products that are going in my rolling project pan. I will leave all the names of the products, the colors, and the weights on them down below for you guys. I hope you guys are doing well. Take care of yourselves and each other. Happy 2026. And I will talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye, everyone.